What's up, Believe Nation? We are giving away one free ticket to my workshop in September on how to make money as a thought leader here in Toronto, Canada. And this video, I'm going to explain how you can win your free ticket. Now, I had this workshop in Toronto, and we did the first one in May, and it was an amazing, life-changing experience with the people who showed up, and it was such a blast that I thought I have to do this again, and so we're doing it again in September from the 3rd to the 5th here in Toronto. This workshop isn't for every entrepreneur. It's for the people who want to take the ideas that they have in their head and make money from it as a thought leader, as an expert. So if you want to make money from brand deals, from writing a book, from coaching, from consulting, from advertising, basically do what I do, but do it in your industry. I'm going to teach people how to do it. Day one is all about knowledge transfer. So I'm going to be going through everything that I do to build my business. I'm going to be breaking down every single revenue stream from the brand deals and book deals and advertising, all of that stuff, and then how you can optimize your revenue stream and start making money as a thought leader there too. And it's just knowledge dump. It's taking everything that's in here, everything that I do right now in a 2018 environment of how I'm posting to YouTube and Instagram and all the networks, my workflow, my process, and dumping it from here into your head right there. Now, as valuable as day one is, I think the real value comes from day two and day three. Day two is about the experience. And so with day two, you're gonna work with myself and my team to actually make content. It really frustrated me in going to workshops that a lot of people got a lot of information, but there's no follow-up, there's no action taken. And my goal with this is for me, for 3 days, to get my hooks into you, so that I want to see how far I can take you in those 3 days. So not just give you energy and ideas, but to actually experience something together. So day two, we're making content together. So you're going to work with myself and members of my team. We're going to be making videos for YouTube. We're going to be making videos for Instagram, for Snapchat. We're going to be making content, and we're going to be guiding you. The highlight, at least I think for me, the highlight is I'm going to work with you one-on-one, and we're going to make a video for you telling your story. I'm going to be coaching you, and then my team is going to edit it together for you so that you do not have any excuses for not coming out of this session, for not coming out of September with quality videos telling your story. And I'm going to be sitting there behind the camera. Well, I got my camera guy filming that. I'm sitting there kind of directing you along the way, giving you feedback, saying, okay, do this again, fix it, say it like this, try this, tell me why you're not pushing hard enough here. Because I really want you to be able to get the thing that's in here and the thing that's in here out to the world so that you can make a difference. It's not just about knowledge transfer for your audience, it's about energy transfer. If you want to win, it's about getting the energy out. And so that's the value of day two. And then day three is an optional ticket. Not everybody's coming for day three, but whoever wins this free contest, you're coming to day three. Day three is mastermind in the morning. And so whatever question you have, whatever business challenge you have right now, you want me to look over your Instagram feed, you want me to check out your YouTube videos, you want to talk about different revenue streams, anything, whatever you're dealing with right now, that's the time to come up, bring it up. We're going to do a little mini group mastermind. This is a limited session though, guys. It's 10 to 15 people maximum. This is not a massive, huge stadium event. I want to keep it personal because you're getting my personal time. I'm shutting down everything that I do. I'm not posting, I'm not doing anything but being with you guys, and these are 3 full days. So the morning of day 3 is mastermind, and in the afternoon we're doing one-on-ones. And you can use that one-on-one either to interview me for your channel, if you want to have me on your YouTube channel, your podcast, your IG Live, Facebook Live, whatever you want to do, or just some one-on-one coaching with me. So if you want me to one-on-one help you with a specific problem, you let me know and we use that time. There's also some bonus activities with people on my team and some of the people that are coming that's going to be pretty fun. Anyway, it's a life-changing experience. It's really hard to explain how valuable it was to the people who came out. I think a lot of people come in thinking, yeah, I'm just going to get a bunch of strategies, but it's just way so much more than that. When you can get people together who are all similarly aligned, you all want to have an impact, you all want to make a difference through what you got up in here, and you're in a supportive collective, and then you're not just getting the knowledge, but you're actually doing the work. I can't stress how important that is. Like, we're actually going to be doing the content creation together. How much that sets you up for success to then go home and continue to execute and then start building a business, build an empire, create results, start impacting the lives of the people around you. I think your purpose comes from your pain, and I think you've got something great inside you that could really help a lot of people. And it's so frustrating that you're not getting the results, that you're sitting there without the YouTube subscribers, without the Instagram audience, without the newsletter list. But it's not actually that difficult to be able to get off and do it. I just want to be a resource and guide you and help you. I kind of wish that I had this when I was getting started, so I'm providing it for you. Anyway, that's what's happening 3 days in September. It's September 3rd to 5th here in Toronto. We're going to have a ton of fun together. There's the events, and then we're having dinners and a whole bunch of fun. But there's a free ticket. This is amazing. So one of my fans, a hardcore member, wrote to me on email, and she wrote this: Evan, thank you for all you do. I really get a lot from it. I believe I want to pay it forward somehow. I think you have a class or event coming in September in Toronto, correct? I tried to look for it but couldn't find anything. I would like to sponsor/pay for someone to go to do it, or would you have other event coming up? I'd love giving to someone else. Please let me know. And I saw this email, I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. Had an impact on somebody in Believe Nation to the point that she wanted to sponsor one of you guys to come to this event for free. So here's what we're gonna do. It's a full 3-day pass. What I want you to do is make a video explaining why you should be the person who gets the free ticket. Email that video to free@evancarmichael.com. We'll make the deadline August 3rd, 1 week from today. August 3rd, you got 1 week to make this video. The best ones we're gonna save, we're gonna show her, and she's gonna be the one that actually picks the winner. So give your best message. I'm so looking forward to having one of you join us in Toronto as a special lucky guest. So thank you guys so much for watching. I believe in you. I hope you continue to believe in yourself, and whatever your one word is. Much love, good luck, and a special extra bit of thank you and gratitude to our surprise donor. I really appreciate you. It means a lot to me, and I'm sure the person who wins, I will make sure, my commitment, I will make sure that the person that you are sponsoring, they're gonna have a life-changing experience in Toronto in September. Thank you guys. Take care.
Altruistic, world domination, honey empire, right?
I'm grateful. I understand why I'm here.
I think because I am so open.
I want you to think and say, it's a bloody brief life.
All of you have the potential for enormous success.
If you want to know what Gary Vee, DJ Khaled, Oprah, and others know about empire building that most people miss, check out the link in the description for a free bonus video.